Master the kitchen vocabulary. Vegetable stir-fry explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a delicious topic that combines cooking and language learning. Vegetable stir-fry. Whether you're a food enthusiast or looking to expand your culinary vocabulary, this video will help you understand what a vegetable stir-fry is, how it's made, and why it's a popular dish around the world. Let's get started. At its core, a vegetable stir-fry is a dish that involves cooking a variety of vegetables in a small amount of hot oil over high heat while stirring continuously. The key here is the word, stir-fry, which is both a method of cooking and the name of the dish itself. This technique is quick, easy, and retains the nutrients and colors of the vegetables, making the dish not only tasty but also healthy. Common vegetables used include bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, and onions, but the possibilities are endless. Stir-frying is a cooking technique that originated in China and has spread throughout Asia and the rest of the world. This method is valued for its speed and ability to produce flavorful dishes with minimal cooking fat. Understanding the cultural background of stir-frying can enrich your language learning by connecting words and phrases to their historical and cultural contexts. Making a vegetable stir-fry involves several steps. Choosing your vegetables, preparing them by cutting into bite-sized pieces, and then stir-frying. The process starts by heating oil in a pan or wok, adding the vegetables in order of cooking time, from longest to shortest, and stirring quickly to ensure even cooking. Seasonings like soy sauce, garlic, and ginger are often added to enhance the flavor. This section is great for learning action verbs and kitchen vocabulary in English. Achieving the perfect vegetable stir-fry is all about timing and heat. Use a high heat to cook quickly and retain the crisp texture of the vegetables. It's also important to not overcrowd the pan, as this can lead to steaming rather than frying. Experimenting with different vegetables and seasonings can lead to discovering your favorite combinations. We hope this video has not only made you hungry but also expanded your English vocabulary and knowledge about a popular cooking method. Vegetable stir-fry is a versatile dish that reflects the importance of quick cooking techniques and the rich flavors that can be achieved. Remember, language learning is like cooking. Practice makes perfect, and don't be afraid to try new things. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video. This structure provides a comprehensive overview of the topic while incorporating key vocabulary and cultural insights, making it an engaging and educational video for English language learners.